We know that bases are subfamilies of topologies which can be used to represent every member of the topology. Today, let us consider a few more examples for bases of topologies. We are familiar with semi-open interval topology on R. For semi-open interval topology on R, it is clear that the family of all semi-open intervals is a base using the characterization of bases. Similarly, the family of all open intervals is a base for the usual topology on R. Since we know that the family of all open intervals is in fact the collection of all open balls with respect to the usual metric. So that family will be a base for usual topology. Thus, we know that base is a smaller collection when we compare it to the topology, and this smaller collection can be used to represent every member of the topology. Now, we are trying to represent these bases using much smaller collection, namely subbases. Subbase of a topology can be defined formally as follows: a family of subsets of capital X is said to be a subbase for a topology tau on X if the family of all finite intersections of members of S is a base for tau. Thus, the subfamily S can be used to retrieve the members of base. Examples: a trivial example for a subbase will be the base itself. That is, any base for a topology is also a subbase for the topology. For usual topology on R, the family of all open intervals of the form open interval A infinity and open interval minus infinity B for every A and B element of R is a subbase, because we know that the collection of all open intervals of the form open interval AB where A and B element of R is a base for usual topology, and we can express these open intervals AB as the intersection A infinity intersection with minus infinity B. Hence, as we claimed, the family of all open intervals of the form open interval A infinity and open interval in minus infinity B forms a subbase. Now, let us consider a theorem which states that let X be a set of a topology on X and S a family of subsets of X. Then S is a subbase for tau if and only if S generates tau. We are already familiar with these terms, subbase and the topology generated by a collection. S is a subbase for tau means that the family of all finite intersections of members of S forms a base for tau. Also, we know that S generates tau means that tau is the smallest topology containing S. Let us prove this statement. Let us first label the collection of family of finite intersections of members of S by the letter B. Suppose first that S is a subbase for tau. We need to show that then S will generate here. Since S is a subbase, we can say that B, the family obtained by taking all finite intersections of members of S, is a base for tau. Now, to show that S generates tau, we need to show that tau is the smallest topology containing S. By the definition of subbase, it is obvious that the subbase S is a subset of base B, and we know that base is a subset of the topology. Therefore, we can easily observe that tau contains S. So, tau is a topology containing the family S. Now, we need to show that tau is in fact the smallest topology containing S. For this, assume that U is a topology containing S. That is, let us assume that S is a subset of the topology U. In order to show that tau is the smallest topology, we will need to show that tau is weaker than. Now, since S is a subset of U and U is closed under finite intersections, we can see that every finite intersection of elements of S belongs to U, and this would imply that base B is contained in U, since by our assumption every element of base B can be expressed as a finite intersection of elements of S. So, the above statement would imply that base B is contained in U. Now, since U, the topology U is closed under arbitrary unions, union of some members of base B will be contained in U itself, and this would imply that tau itself is contained in U, since every member of U can be expressed as the union of some members of base B. Thus, we have shown that tau is a topology containing S and tau is contained in every other topology containing S. So, tau is the smallest topology containing S. Now, to prove the converse part, we assume that tau is the smallest topology containing S, and we need to show that S is a subbase for tau. For this, it is enough to show that B, the family B of all finite intersections of members of S, forms a base for tau using the definition of subbase. It is enough to show that B, family B is a base for tau. Since S is a subset of tau, family B is also contained in tau, since tau is closed under finite intersections. From the definition of family B, it is obvious that B is closed under finite intersection. That is possible since every member of family B is a finite intersection of members of S, and so the intersection of two members of family B will again be a finite intersection of members of S. So, family B is closed under finite intersections. Since family B is closed under finite intersections, there exists a topology, say U on X, such that B is a base for U by a corollary which we have proved earlier. Now, every member of U can be expressed as the union of some members of base B, and so all these members of U will be in tau also. Since B is contained in tau, thus U is contained in tau. Now, since tau is the smallest topology containing S, and since U is some topology containing S, we must have tau is contained in U. From these two inclusion relations obtained, we can conclude that U is equal to tau. Therefore, S is a subbase for